Resto Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Amaya from Rainbow High Girls. Thank you cuties for always requesting that I draw more of these Rainbow High dolls for you, and I really hope you love how Amaya here turns out. She's perfect because she has all the colors of the rainbow in her, and so I really hope you love her just as much as all the other ones I've drawn so far. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw cute Amaya, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw bottom of a U. And draw a curve and come right across, about right here. And I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper towards the center. So let's bring this down, about right here, and then go back up. There, so I'm just creating this bottom of the U, but just slightly sharper in the center. Then from there, let's come back to the edge and we're going to draw a circle for her eyes. And same thing right across, about right here. Now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that I have the eyes in, let's come over here and spruce them up with some gorgeous lashes. So I'll put in about 4 of them. Nice long lashes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe one down here. And same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then at the bottom, we can add some smaller ones, maybe just 3 of them. And here as well. It's all about the eyes, right? I'll make this a little bit longer since the other one's so long. There. And then let's draw her brow. So come up about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft arc over her eye and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Just draw a soft arc over the eye. And now to draw her gorgeous mouth. So if you're not comfortable drawing these lips, you can just give her a smile. But if you want to draw the lips, let's come to the center and about right here. I'm going to go right in the center and just draw this little curve right here in the center. Then from there, I'm going to bring this out, up, and up. So the reason I'm starting right in the center is I just want to make sure my lips are right in the center. So then from there, I'm going to put a curve right there. And then now to draw the top lip, I'm going to come right up towards the center, curve, and then come down. And at the bottom, just draw a bigger curve at the bottom and up. Now to draw the rest of her face, let's imagine an oval. So say about right here. I'm on the side where her hair parts. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down to where we started. And then I'm going to bring this curve up slightly to create our oval. And about right there, I'm going to stop. So I'm going to come back to where we started right here on the edge, on the side, I mean, sorry. And I'm going to draw a big curve that comes up. And it's going to curve down towards her eye right here and then come out. just curve it out. And then whatever space you have left, just finish off her face. So this is just for that big strand of hair that comes to the side. And from there, let's bring this up. I'm going to curve it up a little bit, about right here. And from this point, I'm going to come down on this side. And this side is going to go up. So this is where her hair parts. Then from there, let's come down. I'm just going to come in here with some details. Draw a curve. Comes to her face and out. And let's come over here and draw that part, and let's come and finish this strand. So I'm going to come right here to where we started with that curve, come out, and just wobble my way across to finish that strand. From there, let's finish the top. So I'm going to come about right here and just bring a curve down right over there. But before we finish the rest of her hair, let's draw her body. So let's come back to right here in the center and give her a little neck right in the center. And then from there, I'm going to draw shoulders that come out. And right here, I'm going to give her a little neckline and find her armpit area. So say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines out. There. So now we know what we're working with, the space that we have. And from there, where this armpit area is, I'm going to come up, draw a curve towards the center, and another one for her top. Then let's bring this down a little bit more, angling it as we come down. And about right there, I'll stop and connect for her top. And I'll come right here and thicken this part up for her belt. And then let's draw her skirt. So let's come right here and we're going to pop out a curve that tapers in. Same thing here, pop it out and in. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same level. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to finish off the skirt. But we're going to put in some notches right here. So come in with a notch, continue your curve, and then about towards this side, another notch, then continue. So the reason there's these notches is because there's a zipper detail right here. That I'm going to draw a curve from the top towards those notches to create the zipper. And I'll just come in here with some lines just for some detail to simplify it. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back up here and just put a little notch right here for the belt area as well. And now to draw her legs. So I'm having them crossed. So I'm just imagining right here her hip area. So about right here and then towards the center right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw her leg. So I'm crossing it and bring it at an angle. So it's going to get thinner as we come down. So say about right here. And here. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw her feet. So I'm going to start to flare it out, and round it off and connect. So then for the other leg, it's going to be about right here where her hips are, and cross it and come through about right here. And about this area right here, I'm just going to give it a little curve and then bring it in. Just indication of her calf if you want. And then once again, same thing. And flare it out. And connect. There. So 2 legs in. This one maybe a little bit lower. And Now for some details for her shoes. I'm coming in and bringing these chunky heels and a strap right here and another strap right here. And I believe she has these socks. I'm just going to put another curve right there. So same thing over here. Heels right there and strap. And about right here, about the same area, so about right here. And here. There's now her legs, and now we can go ahead and draw the rest of her arms. So let's come about right here. We're going to come down and down right here with armpit area, and I want her hands on her hips in this area. So bring this down, and about right here I'm going to angle in, and as I come to there I'm going to angle out for her hand. So it's the same thing here, thickening it up, bring it in, and as I come here I'm going to angle out and then just add a little lip for a finger. So same thing on the other side. Bring her shoulder down a little bit more. There. Okay, so same thing, just curve out, same area, and about right here, in and angle. Now to thicken the arm, so let's go ahead and just follow. Right there, elbow, and come in. And just like the other side, angle right here and then a little finger towards the back. And for some details, let's come back right about here and we're going to cut it off for a sleeve. And same thing here. And then she has this detail right here in her top, so I'm just going to come right here and draw kind of like this square that's in there. And let's see, of course I'm going to add a heart. She has a bunch of circle rainbow colors, but I'm going to add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Amaya. And then now to finish her gorgeous hair. So let's come about right here, and I'm going to start to curl it a little bit. So here and there I'm just going to give it some strands. Come back out here, give a curl and curve, and then just tuck it in. Make this a little bit bigger with gap. There. So same thing over here. Let's bring this down. And once again, give it a curl. Maybe another one. And then we need to start to bring it down. So let's go the other way and curve and just tuck it in. And for some details, let's come in here, some strands and curve. And you know what, now that I'm looking at this, I think I should have brought this down a little bit lower. So I think that looks a little bit better. Now I've created a mess. So I'm going to come in here real quick once again with my whiteout pen. There, all fixed, right? So now her strand of hair is much longer. There's a gap right there, and now you can see all my boo-boos. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Maya here turned out with her gorgeous rainbow hair and outfit, and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon with another video. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.